Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin starting on the weekly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on Bitcoin, it definitely does on the weekly and monthly look like a wave 1, 2, 3. I still think there's a good chance that wave 4 is already in and that this is actually going to eventually start making its way up for likely a 5-way pattern to the upside for the wave 5, which should take out the high of wave 3, probably making new all-time highs. If this really is a wave 5, which it definitely looks like it is though, once the wave 5 is complete, it will very likely make a very sharp turn to the downside, most likely taking out the low of wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, I suspect that this wave 4 is already over, that this is a wave 1, this is like an expanding flat wave 2. If that's the case, then we may already be in the wave 3, like this is a 1 of 3, this is now in a 2 of 3, and it's eventually going to go up and make that wave 3 of wave 3, which is a wave 3 of wave 5. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. Like I said, there's a good chance that this is like a wave 1. I think there's probably a pretty good chance that we're going to see some sort of a 3-way pattern to the downside, probably to one of these fibs levels. I think the 50 and the 61, because of this last support, is probably a likely area to see an ABC of 2 and then possibly go up for a wave 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I would expect this to be a wave A, if anything, a wave B. I don't think it's over yet. I would probably expect it to go down, like I said, probably at least to the 50, possibly even the 61.8. And then if we get that Fibonacci bounce, especially if we get a break of structure with the Fibonacci bounce, that's what should help me identify the end of this wave C, probably a wave C of wave 2, and likely the beginning of a new uptrend for the wave 3, which, like I was saying on the higher time frame, should all be subdivisions of a wave 5. Probably a wave 5 all the way up to like the weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.